Hey everyone, it's Jess from ColDesi, and today we're going to be sublimating our 22-ounce ceramic steins using the Galaxy mug press and the Sawgrass SG1000. So let's get started. So first we're going to print out our design on the Beaver Tex-Print paper in the mug size 4 by 9.5. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tape my designs using some heat tape onto the stein. Now, before I get started, I do want to mention that we did create a fake Greek organization for this project, but we highly recommend getting Greek licenses for your business because this is a very profitable market to get into. And if you want to learn more about copyright and licensing, you should listen to the Custom Apparel Startups podcast, episode 73. So for this next part, we're going to use the flexible finishing sheet because as you can see here, this stein does have beveled edges. So this sheet's just going to help even out the pressure and the heat across the mug. We also made sure to secure the transfers onto the mug tightly so that it doesn't shift around in the mug press. And then we are going to use the Galaxy Mug Pro press today. So we'll go ahead and wrap our mug. Well, it might be easier to lay it down. So we're going to press this mug at 390 degrees for 430 seconds with a heavy pressure. Just make sure you hold on to the handle of your mug so that it doesn't break. The Galaxy Mug Pro Press will have 2 different temperatures, and the first temperature is going to just warm up the press. Then when the second temperature is reached, that's when the timer will start. So the timer is up, and we're just going to carefully remove this from the press, and we're going to let it cool for a little. So we've let this cool down a few minutes, and we're just going to reveal our transfer. We have our completed mug. These sublimation ready steins are available online for around $10, and they can easily retail for about $25 when you add a custom logo and a personalized name to it. Items like these are great for the college and Greek life market, and they never go out of style. So if you want to find any of the products we use in this video today, visit colemanandcompany.com. Thanks for watching.